Yo, guys, ifenzi zikamayeni zimhleli apha sana uma kuba lo noMangwabe ku social media after ke i-episode yayizolo siye sabona ke uMangwabe ethatha uMakhumalo yomhlalisa phansi just into ba ambriefe about what was said kwi meeting, the initial meeting when uTata Mosamseleku called all the wives ezobaxelela ngento yoba kuzoba khona i-family trip, wabaxelela noba it's going to be self catering this time around, meaning that nina kuzofuneke niziphekele niphekele abantwana benu as the wives. Now obviously all the wives were like, yo le yokupheka ingathi sivisisi kakuhle, because I mean what's the point of ukuhamba uye ku vacation uzophinde upheke? I mean we cook all the time apha endlini, then understand ayikho into ezoba mnandi if usizohamba ngoku siyopheka nakwi mini family vacation yethu. So uTata Mosamseleku came up with the plan yoba, listen up guys, if anithanda ukupheka nonke every day, then it means you guys will then take turns, then izosebenza kanjalo, it means anizupheka every day nonke. So macele ke wangumuntu othi mna andizuza, so ngicela kuze usine okanye kuhambe usine, understand? So uMangwabe was basically telling uMakhumalo, so mna honestly speaking andiyiboni into wrong, because uMangwabe was saying each and everything eyachiwo kwi meeting because uMakhumalo ebengekho. So uMakhumalo naye wothusa into ba hayibo ebethetha uthini uba uyena uNoske angatyi kunoba apheke, uyazazi nje uba unabantwana, understand? So naye uMakhumalo was shocked uba how can umuntu onabantwana abangaka say uNoske angatyi kunoba apheke, then abantwana bakhe expect uba mabaphekelwe ngobani. So ifans ke azreactanga kakuhle to that session kaMangwabe noMakhumalo, bayatsho into yokokubana soloko be-ignite i-friendship yabo ngokuhleba ngomuntuza. So one of the fans is saying, last episode guys uThobile complained about indaba yokupheka, and now why ezomoka uMayeni for saying the same thing? Yazi yini akalunganga lo girl othanda kakhulu ukuhleba. And then enye iviewer ithi, there Thobile goes again, making herself a deputy husband sana. She obviously didn't learn last season, she's always doing too much. This is why ke uShibase always calls her into order. Uyaphapha lo girl. Omnye ke athi, you know what, she thinks her reasoning skills are better than the others. Does she honestly think the other wives don't put their own kids into consideration? They know what they are doing and they are smart enough to know for what reason. They do not answer to her. Yena uMakhumalo, she's just annoying. Understand? So nazo ke iviews ezabantu abebebukele uThando Nesithembu, especially ifans zikaMayeni. Siyazazi kuba ifans zikaMayeni, they don't play. So anyways you guys, your thoughts ndiyacela masengagane, and surely nizonibona on my next one. Bye.